breaking news coming in. We are learning that the opposition is mulling to move motion against Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. This after we witnessed the face-off in the Parliament where the opposition staged a walkout. Not just that, before that they also objected to Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar seeking an apology on his tone. Remember similar allegations that they have been making where they say that the opposition has been silenced, their mics are switched off, they're not allowed to speak, and there is no point in going to the chairman's chamber. While all of these statements were made by the opposition, in their next move we learned that the opposition is mulling a motion against Rajya Sabha Speaker Jagdeep Dhankar. Yes, this in all probability could be their next step, as the opposition is mulling motion against Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, where they have also sought an apology on his tone. They've also gone on to say that he has been unfair to how the opposition is being projected. Let me cut across to Executive Editor Politics, Aishwarya Kapoor, who joins us on the phone line. Aishwarya, what more can you tell us about the opposition's next move against Jagdeep Dhankar?
Well, at this point of time, we can just tell you that there is a meeting happening inside the Parliament of the opposition leaders, which has in presence Sonia Gandhi and then the other leaders of the India bloc. And what we are being told by our sources that they are mulling a motion against the Rajya Sabha chairman, who's also the Vice President of India. This has only happened after today. Once again, the chair introduced the honourable member with her official name. Her official name is Amitabh Jaya Bachchan, and as soon as that happened, that the comments were made by the member of parliament on the chair, post which we saw several leaders standing up and then making it very clear that this kind of language against the chair is not advisable. We saw the leader of the house in the upper house, the national president of the BJP, Jagat Prakash Nadda, condemning such words being used against the chair. But right now the opposition seems to be taking its line against the chair. And in this meeting we are being told by our sources that the opposition is mulling to bring in a motion against the chair, though they do not have the numbers in the upper house to get this motion through, but still they are trying to make a point, and they are mulling to bring in a motion against the Vice President of India, who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha, on the issue of the chair calling an honourable member with her official name. We once again want to put things on record that the official name in the records of Rajya Sabha are the name with which every member of parliament is introduced. And in this very regard, the chair has, because this incident or this occurrence has happened twice earlier, and on those twice occasions, the chair has very clearly stated that your name is in this order and you are being introduced with this specific name, which the honourable member herself has mentioned on the record books of Rajya Sabha. And hence, they are only referring to the name which has been officially mentioned by the member of parliament. And in this regard, the meeting is happening of the opposition leaders as we speak. But we saw all of them coming out of the parliament, talking to the media, Sonia Gandhi with Jaya Bachchan, and then the other leaders, all of them coming out and making their comments against the chair. Back to you.
All right, Aishwarya, many thanks for getting us those latest details. In the meanwhile, let's also take a look at that sequence to what transpired on the floor of the House that led the opposition to do what they did.
माननीय एलओपी श्रीमान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी और घनश्याम तिवारी जी दोनों ने मेरे निवेदन को स्वीकार किया। हमने पूरी चर्चा की, एक एक शब्द देखा गया और अंत में ये पाया गया कि श्री घनश्याम तिवारी जी ने जो प्रशंसा मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी की वो श्रेष्ठतम थी और इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं हो सकती थी। उस समय समझ में नहीं आया। घनश्याम तिवारी हैड एप्रिशिएटेड मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और चैम्बर में कहा कि कुछ भी मेरे से गलती हुई है तो मैं सदन में माफी मांगूंगा। आपको नहीं पता भाई? ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, I take a strong exception to what Jairam Ramesh is saying. What I am indicating is, what I am indicating is that at my request, Shri Mallikarjun Khadge ji and Ghanshyam Tiwari ji Both were good enough to come to my chamber. I had the occasion to go through each word of that. Honorable members can go through that. Ghanshyam Tiwari ji had appreciated leader of the opposition to a very high level. And Mallikarjun, sir, let's not, we have regard for you, sir. He has raised it. I hope you have not raised it. Again, we'll interact, sir. Question hour. No. Yeah, okay. 1 second. And sir, before that, one thing. Even after that meeting, I myself read every word of it. And then I found, no, I'll give time. Then I found that there was nothing objectionable. I had also pleaded with the leader of the opposition that if he finds something objectionable, he may indicate, please, sir.
No, sir, that I have not seen because you told.
I've seen, sir.
You told that I will go through the records. If anything is there, I will come back.
Yes.
And inform the. I told that even Ghanshyamji,
Yes.
it is better. The same thing what you have explained me in chamber, the same thing you say in the house.
I will do that.
So,
I will do that.
so that everybody knows.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually,
He said, open.
Ghanshyamji has raised the status of Mallikarjunji Kharge to a level of a god. That's what he has said, Ghanshyamji. And that is what he has spoken. And that is what I've seen. And I am grateful to leader of opposition, Mallikarjunji and Ghanshyam Tiwari ji. Both of them, honorable members, one has experience of more than 5 decades. The other has experience of more than 4 decades. But I am trying to put the house in order. Why should a member of this side, without make a reference, without getting permission of the LOP? Again. Chair has not given you permission. No, I thought you were supporting Pramod Tiwari on that rail link. So I thought I thought you are associating yourself. So I thought it's a good thing. If a member associates with someone, I encourage it. Can in any case. Sir. Pramod ji, Pramod ji, all you are saying is that Ghanshyam ji praised Mallikarjun Kharge ji to a very height. He should again praise it. No, he should again do it. Sir, this is not done. This is not done. Honorable members, I give quietus to this discussion with compliments to Ghanshyam Tiwari for using parliamentary language, respecting leader of the opposition in the highest of traditions, and expressing to me that he is prepared to apologize if he has transgressed in any manner. I have read it carefully. Not only there was no transgression by Sri Ghanshyam Tiwari ji, he embellished the well-deserved reputation of Sri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and therefore, if a member of this house with about 4 decades of parliamentary experience praises another member with 5 decades of experience, it's a joyous moment for us. Quietus to the issue.